Hi, and welcome to Parker Crafts. Today I'd like to show you how to make a beautiful red velvet bowl like this one out of 2.5-inch wide wire edged red velvet ribbon like this. We'll be using the Parker True to Form bow maker. This easy tool comes in a small, medium, and for today's large bowl we will be using the large bow maker. Cut a point on the tip of your ribbon, slide it through your large bow maker. This is the velvet side up, leaving about 1 inch extended beyond the edge of the bow maker. Pinch the middle and wrap your ribbon around the edge of the form. Pinch it up, twist it, and bring your ribbon around the other side of the bow maker and come up through the middle. Pinch and twist. Go around the edge again, come up through the middle, pinch and twist. Go around again through this other side, come up through the middle, pinch and twist. You will do this till you have 5 loops on each side. It goes very fast. When you have 5 loops on each side, it's going to look like this. Cut a piece of curling ribbon. I like to use a metallic curling ribbon, about 24 inches long. Push your ribbons down a little bit, creating a hole right here, and slide the tip of your curling ribbon through there. Go around the middle, come up through the bottom, pass it through the hole again, go down, come up through the bottom, and hold the 2 ends of your curling ribbon in your hand like this. You can tug on it just a little, squeezing the middle. When you've got about 3 inches here, slide all of your ribbon off of the tool. It's going to look like this. Pinch it, pulling on your curling ribbon, pinch it, and when you've got it nice and tight like this, tie a double knot in the back. This is what your bow is going to look like at this stage. I like to keep my ends in the back of all the loops. Tuck it to the back if it's not. And now we need to distribute these to form a nice dome shape. So I start at one end and I take the first loop and shove it towards the middle, and the next one comes to the back, the next one to the middle, This one to the back and that one to the middle. This one to the front, that one to the back, this one to the front and to the back. And this is what you got so far. Now all you need to do is stick your fingers into the loops and fluff them up, giving a nice dome shape to your loops. The wire edge ribbon makes it very easy for you to reposition your loops till you get the nice dome shape that you desire. And it holds its shape very well. So here you go. This is your red velvet ribbon. If you want to add a tail, you can cut a long strip of ribbon about 24 inches long, tie it in the back with your curling ribbon and let it dangle to the bottom. The Parker Bow Maker is available online from my website at www.parkercrafts.com. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll have fun making bows for Christmas and have a great day.